If you love seeing the birds in your garden, you're going to love this. So I've been given this Wuipet bird feeder camera with AI technology, and it comes in a range of colours. So I'm going to choose this one. It's got a fantastic camera on it, and it's got a feeding station and perch so we can see what birds visit. So let's go and get it in the garden. So I'm going to fill it full of bird seed and add some mealworms for them. So it comes with some straps. I'm just going to strap it to this tree, or you can actually nail it to a wall as well. And it comes with a water bowl so they can have a drink when they've eaten. It also comes with these lovely little fork attachments that you can put fruit on and just pop them in for them as well. And some feeding stations for hummingbirds if you get those. So near enough straight away we've got some visitors who are very interested in this camera. And then they've just got on with feeding. So we've had the robins, the great tits and the blue tits all enjoying it. Hello. So to get yours, find the link in my bio and in the description below, and for 10% off use code KarenGarden9. Happy bird watching everyone!